What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Can you believe it?
You can't believe it.
Look at this.
We have Miss Kathy Griffin and Sister James here in the building, and for some reason James only comes over when I'm eating, so
it's weird.
What can I say? I'm a hungry sister.
Yes. So we are gonna do a
mukbang. Mukbang.
A mukbang.
There you go.
Yeah,
Yes.
that sounded great. Okay.
I'm still down with mukbang.
I'm down
Anything
for it.
with bang is good.
Same.
And who doesn't like a muck?
We love a good bang.
You've never done a mukbang on camera, right?
I haven't, no. I've only done them in private in a closet.
Okay.
Holy
well,
shit.
today we are going to drive to McDonald's.
Hashtag not sponsored.
I got the best table.
Yes,
I
not
called ahead.
sponsored, but McDonald's, what are you doing? Get it together.
Head us up.
So Kathy called ahead. They reserved us a beautiful table in the
I
drive-thru.
talked to the maitre d'.
Yep, thank you. And well, you're craving fries, you told me, right?
I am so craving fries.
Okay. Now, James is a sober sister. Sister Kathy and Sister Star are a 420 sister, so we are ready to eat.
Right. That's right.
So
Can you keep up with us or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
He might be able
I'm
to.
wild even when I'm sober.
Love it.
Yes,
Good.
exactly. He doesn't need any, okay? Imagine him drunk.
I can't.
No, you don't want to.
I'm afraid. I can't believe the Lyft driver even let you text from the back of the car. First of all, his phone.
First of all, no.
I'm like, James doesn't do Lyft.
Lyft. No, Uber. Use code Sister James for $5 off your
his
first
Uber
3 rides.
and his phone is barely even charged. Now, look,
is.
kids, always walk around with an outlet.
He has a real Uber code. That was for real.
Yeah, that wasn't a joke.
Oh my gosh,
real-
he's in deep with the Uber people.
He is.
I did.
It's fully deep. Fully deep.
Are you secretly the owner?
Yes.
I knew it.
I knew
I
it.
knew it. These YouTube kids, they own companies.
They do. We are about to go to McDonald's and we're about to order a lot of food. I am very hungry and who knows what's gonna happen. But
I'm gonna shove a McFlurry out my ass right now.
Okay. We would love to watch
Yeah, I'm gonna have fries with that shake.
that. Yeah.
Love that.
All right, so we're gonna hop in the pink Tesla, go through the drive-thru, and just pray they get our order right. Okay, so I'm gonna get a cheeseburger plain, just meat, cheese in the bun, 3 sugar cookies.
They're getting out.
We want 4 large fries. Is the machine working today?
Yeah.
Yay! All right, then let me get a, do you have like a mint chocolate chip McFlurry? I'll do Oreo, let's do classic. And then anything else, Sister James?
I'm good, sister.
All right, that will do it.
Alright.
I want one more fries.
43.24 next
One more fries.
Okay, can we actually add 1 more large fry?
Sure.
Amazing.
Yes.
He'll take some. You
I'll
wanna give him
grab
some? Thank you so
you.
much.
There you go.
I love that. Thank you.
All the sauce are here.
Love that. Thank you, my good man.
All right, you guys, we are back. McDonald's will never be the same.
We took it by storm.
We
That was a
really
lot.
did. That was a lot. We had to pull to the side because we ordered way too many fries.
Well, you also had fans come actually to the car.
Yeah.
And maybe want to get in.
They didn't let me order. They were just screaming at me.
We love that.
Okay. I've been hungry for hours. I'm famished.
Fried and salt.
Okay. So I brought some pink Himalayan sea salt for you.
Thank you.
Okay, you ready for it? Where's your
Please.
fries?
Right. I leave them in the bag so I can
No.
get the ones like with on the floor of the bag as well. Yeah. I'm a scavenger.
Too much?
No. See, there's some extra leftovers here. That, frankly, they're from your fries.
Okay.
So I'm taking the leftovers from yours and I'm getting double
James?
fries.
I'm good. Thank you, sister.
Okay.
Okay.
Have
Bam.
enough sodium.
All right. What are the new words you're gonna teach me?
I would love for Sister James to tell us.
I feel like we have a lot.
I need new modern words because I thought the kids were still saying totes, obvi, and jelly.
Yeah, I'm scared
Kathy?
of that.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. What's trending right now?
Have you heard wig?
Yes. Okay. Tell me all about. Am I a wig?
You don't really describe someone. You don't.
I love her.
Is that like saying am I a cunt?
No, opposite.
No.
Oh.
You wouldn't describe someone as wig. Basically, like.
It's like a moment. Like,
So it started off as like wig flu, which came from like this Twitter meme where it's like if something like iconic happened, like your wig would
your
get
wig
ripped
flew off. Like, you're so, like, James's makeup is so fucking sickening, my wig flew.
Got it.
Or like wig evaporated, wig
Yes.
disintegrated, just like anything like of a wig disappearing
Yes.
off the
It's
head.
ripped off,
Yeah.
can't breathe. You're
So use it in
you're so
context.
hot.
Like-
so now we have the shorter version.
But yeah, then it got shortened to wig for the easier text
Okay.
tone of the kids. So you'd be like, They're like, oh my god, your makeup looks so good. Wig. Wow, do you see the new episode? Wig.
So it's not like you're a wig or so-and-so's a wig. It's like...
It's like an adjective.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the new hot movie that the kids all like?
Oh god.
Like in my day, it was like The Breakfast Club or something. Like what's the movie?
Stranger Things is like a really huge
Yes.
series.
Oh my god.
So
I look
for
like
that.
11. I want to play 11's aunt
11
with this haircut.
Wait, first of all, we have to talk about our food, okay?
Yeah.
So I got a pineapple mango smoothie.
Okay.
Almost a banana.
Sounds good.
Yeah, probably can this be healthy if it's from McDonald's?
Yeah.
Great.
I don't think it's there's any cream in the ice cream. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's a flurry.
Delights made daily. And I also got a McFlurry. Ooh, let me get that one.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
My first three-way. Ooh, it's going pretty well so far.
Right.
I
It's
also got a
wig.
McFlurry.
This is the wiggest thing I've done.
Oh my god.
to go.
Full
Oh my God.
fucking wig. James is quitting.
Full wigginess happening.
Oh my god. Okay, what'd you get, James?
Well, you did like a triple order. So
I got
don't...
a good and fresh Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Or
Okay.
triple order.
Yeah, you're like, okay, now I have this.
Wait, can I tell you something?
I got
Like I do.
Nate's pet peeve is when I talk with my mouth full. So I'm so glad I can do it in front of you guys and just be myself.
Oh really?
That's his one pet peeve. He doesn't have much.
Sorry,
I mean,
Nate.
he says I have to swallow, but he really hates
Right.
when I'm chewing my food. So
What?
You're so brave, sweetie.
it's really hard.
Wig.
What,
What? What'd I do?
what did you wig wrong, James?
What?
There's so many fries in here, you guys. Oh my god. There's enough fries for all 5 of my dogs.
So you could look
I
at
would
this
never do
bag
that. I would
if
never
you're
do
like
that.
really horny for fries and be like, wow, look at all these fries. Wig.
Okay.
Like,
Got it.
like you shouldn't do that. but you
And
could.
salt. Wig.
Yeah, right.
I mean, probably not for someone on a low sodium diet.
Okay, what is in this one? I think ooh, bitch. Oh, here's all the ketchup if y'all want that. Okay.
Sure.
We got a cheeseburger plain. I'm a picky ass eater.
What'd you get for
My mom
sandwiches?
hates it.
Did you get a sandwich choice?
No, I literally just got 6 nuggets and fries.
Your appetizers all the way.
Well, I already
Yeah.
ate earlier
Okay.
today.
Okay.
Will you
was-
tell us what you ate?
Do we need more tangy?
Domino's.
Interesting.
Barbecue. Mukbang Domino's are big videos, Kathy. There's girls that just live for that.
Really?
Yeah.
And what is it? People eating Domino's pizzas as fast as they can or something?
No, they just eat and chat.
Have you ever watched a mukbang before? Like, do you know what it is?
Yeah,
Well, obviously now
I
we're doing
watched
it.
the one with Tana.
Yeah. Oh,
Yes.
I'm sorry.
She was 10 hours late.
Uh-huh.
Wig.
Oh.
That's not
No,
wig.
that's anti-wig.
That's wig is like
That's-
still on.
Yes, that's my wig will not come off.
She's glued down still. She's right there. She's laid.
She's,
Yeah.
she's stagnant.
She's swimming with it on. It's still
She's
on.
swimming. This is
Okay.
Nate's food.
Yeah.
I feel awful. Should we
But
eat
do
it?
you? Great minds
Do
think
you really
alike.
though?
I feel awful. Let's eat it.
Let's eat it.
Devour it.
I'm gonna ask if he wants it.
Sure.
Really?
Let's think of more things that we need to teach Sister Kathy.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, let's think of some real quick.
More modern words.
Have you heard like?
What are the nightclubs the kids go to in Los Angeles now?
We don't go out.
I'm not the person to ask.
What? In my day, it was Hyde. H-Y-D-E.
Oh,
Can
I've
you
been
get
to
into
Hyde.
Hyde?
My friends still go there.
Once in a while. Okay, so I spent 10 years going out. And now that James is old enough to, he's not even old
I'm not
enough to
even
go
old
to a
enough to
club,
go
really.
out.
So while James was growing into a full adult, I was going out every night.
We're teaching
And-
him the ways of the world?
Yes, and I'm just over it. It's the same club, same party, same table, same horse shit, same fucking attitude, same bouncers, same fucking. But yeah, I've done the Hyde, the Spider Club, Paris Hilton, the whole 9, that whole thing. You know what I mean? So I'm tired. I don't. Unless we're getting paid, we don't leave the house.
True.
Wig.
Oh my god.
Am I getting there?
Kind of.
Kind of.
I think for me, I've just seen so many kids like that are in the entertainment industry that are similar to age as mine start drinking and start going out and really like lose themselves in entertainment and nightlife. And
Yeah.
I am just so business focused that I don't
Okay.
want that to happen to me.
I love
Good
that.
for you.
Yeah.
Good for you.
I just have no like yearning to try it at all.
But business is fun.
Oh yeah, I love
Like
business.
people that are like, I'm in show business, but I just like the show. I'm like, no, embrace the business. The business
yeah,
part's good
Embrace
too.
it, but some people.
I'd rather be up until 3 a.m. like replying to business emails and like planning out new video concepts and like show concepts and
But
like
see, a lot of
Live
people
it.
rather
brand
get
deals.
drunk and.
Yeah, no, not
That's
me.
that.
You gotta
But-
live it. You gotta live it.
Wait, side note? Too much bread.
Interesting.
So brave.
So
Full meat, cheese in the bun only, plain. No bun.
you're losing weight. You're actually losing weight right now in front of my very eyes.
Wait,
I feel like the fattest wig in this room.
Wait,
Swear to God.
Skinny Legend. You know about Skinny Legend, right?
Oh, have you heard about that? And Mariah?
Wait, we're not going to try to be like those kids that want to kill Slender Man or whatever. Is that a thing?
What is that?
You
I
should
know what Slenderman is.
It's a whole
come I
thing that
don't?
makes
It's like a horror. It's like the boogeyman.
Okay, no. So this is not that.
No.
Okay.
Go off on Skinny Legend.
Skinny. Okay, so Mariah Carey is just the skinniest legend in the entire world.
Do you know what Skinny Legend means?
If you're talking to about Miss Mariah Carey and you're going to imply that she is not emaciated, I'm going to slap you in your gay face right now.
Anthony Hopkins. Here we.
What does emaciated mean?
Emaciated means
emaciated.
skinny.
Oh no, she's
Like
a legend.
malnourished.
We're just saying, I'm just making fun of the idea. Are you
No.
implying that Mariah thinks she's too skinny because...
No.
No, it's a meme on
It's-
Twitter. Mariah is the skinniest person in the world. There's nobody skinnier than her.
I agree. I agree
Yeah.
with the backup dancer and the millionaire and the whole thing. I watched every
someone-
minute of it.
There's nobody skinnier than her. It's
So someone photoshopped.
No. According
She
to
can fit in between the raindrops.
according to Harvard scientists, Mariah
Yep.
Carey has officially subliminated into a gas, making her the only skinny person in the
is-
entire world.
She is
not doing
a
this.
gaseous mass, and she is ethereal, literally. And
She's see-through.
She's
She's transparent.
ghosting. That's a word I know that you kids use.
Yes.
Ghosting?
Yes.
Yes, she's ghosting.
That's not really the right way to use it.
No, but she's so thin she could be a ghost. A ghost with a wig, don't get me
Right.
wrong. A ghost with extensions, but a ghost nonetheless.
Do you need to teach me and James anything?
Probably a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
lot.
A lot. We'll just start from the beginning.
Okay.
First of all, let's see. I would say that I am genuinely worried about the community under this administration for reals. I love that young people are becoming
Okay.
real life activists.
Okay.
Because that's so freaking important. And
I'm fixing your eyelash glue while we're eating this. I have to
Okay,
let
good.
you know that.
And I am one of the people that will say, like, yes, it's your generation that's going to fix the world.
Okay.
And I admit, as a baby boomer, that we did kind of fuck it up because I think during Bill Clinton, who I know could be a dirty dog, but he was a good president.
He was so cute.
And I think during Obama, we got a little complacent and
Yeah.
like thinking, like, okay, like we were making progress, and then turns out we went back to the Nixon era,
We sure did.
which wasn't so good for women or gay people.
No, it's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be crazy, honestly, for James to be in a world where Donald Trump's the president. He's at such a young age. Like, I would have never imagined me at 18, this would be going on. In the
I mean,
world.
all the stuff that they say,
dark.
it's dark. It's really dark. Yeah.
It's very alarming. And in growing up in school, history was always a class that I was really good at, but never found interesting at all.
history.
And I was got good grades in it, but I personally felt that I was bad at it.
Yeah.
It was my worst performing class out of all of them, I guess you would say, out of it. Because I've never cared at all about politics up until this year.
Yeah.
Or until last year, rather.
Right.
Like once this all started going down, I've tried my best to learn as much as I possibly can.
'Cause you have to.
Alongside
Seriously.
of obviously balancing everything else. So I do try to always read articles and do as much research in my free time because it's so spooked.
I'm just saying, like, as much as Trump is doing this or that shiny object, Jefferson Beauregard Sessions and the Department of Justice, they are busily chipping away at equality rights, gay rights,
Yes.
women's rights. So people like to act like, oh, this will be over and it was a phase. Yeah, but some of those, like Supreme Court Justice Gorsuch is known to be anti-gay, and he's not a progressive person in any way. So I just love that you guys can talk to people and go, yeah, you have to get involved because they're coming for you.
They
You know,
are.
anyone who's considered disenfranchised, gay, person of
I
color.
know, and I almost think people think it's a joke, like Trump's a joke, but I'm like, no, all these laws and things that he's doing are real, and it's all
Yeah.
real reality, and I know people, here's what I've noticed from just traveling. I'm not gonna speak for everyone, we never can do that, but a lot of people are just so sick of seeing him on the news every day, they literally just don't care.
They check out.
Yeah.
They check out and they
Right.
don't care.
And they think, oh, it doesn't matter,
It doesn't affect me.
or it doesn't
It's just-
affect
it's
me,
annoying.
or it'll
I'm
be
just gonna-
over,
I'm
it's
gonna
too
turn it
much.
off. Every day they're tired of seeing it, and it's a lot. The news, it's just constant hell.
Yeah.
I can't even remember what happened a month ago.
I know.
It's fucking brutal.
I want to get back to when news was boring. Like, I want to get back to those days where
Yeah.
it's like we didn't really even know like what religion the president was, and
Yeah,
we
it
didn't,
doesn't
we didn't
matter.
really
He wasn't a
care,
horrible
like-
person because
that's
he
right.
wasn't like you.
Yeah, that's what we're in. You're horrible if you're not like me.
Yeah.
That is the new edict of the
We
world.
get it a
really
lot
is.
for being
God
men in
help us.
makeup. It's like half the world loves us, half the world thinks it's wrong. I'm like, wrong?
Right. They are bad wigs. Let me tell you, whoever says that, they're the worst wigs I ever met.
God.
You know, I'm getting a real grasp on that term.
Yeah.
So I'm not picky. Who would like to? Anyone can put anything in my mouth. So just
Oh
go
my
ahead.
God,
I love that
Sam.
sentence.
I love that.
See, it bonds us. Okay. All right. So. Oh, sorry. I'm just
Okay.
I spilled.
Litter it all over.
Okay. So. How do we do?
Wait,
it?
hold on.
Me and James feed you at the same time?
Well, we feed each other all at the same time.
Oh no. Oh, that's hot. Mwah.
Oh my god, what
You
a
won't eat
fucking
it.
shitty wig.
Oh!
I
Wait, give me one, give me one.
fucking kissed that guy.
Here,
What the
give me
fuck,
one.
bro?
He said-
I wasn't understanding what was
Bro,
going
be
on.
cool, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
What the fuck, bro? Be cool,
I don't know
man.
what's going on here.
Let's try it again like it never happened. Yeah!
Yay!
getting
That
this
was
one.
wig. All right.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Oh my god.
I mean, that was wig, and I don't want to hear your arguments. That was wig.
That was a full wig.
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 I'm full. Anyone full?
I'm fucking full.
I'm very fucking full.
Oh!
Oh my
Oh, I had
gosh.
to readjust.
What?
She's pregnant.
Oh, look at that. It was like the
Wow.
Beyonce at the VMAs.
Exactly.
Big reveal. Big reveal.
Big reveal. How do you feel about James's style?
How's your style?
Swollen.
Is it good for the baby?
Yeah. She loves
It doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't. I really think
So-
you can only see it, but I think
Look
by
at the-
tomorrow it'll be gone.
Okay, but look at the fucking monitor. Both
Okay.
eyes are both completely open right now.
Don't blame the monitor. The monitor does not deserve that
Yeah,
treatment.
Best
Look
Buy
at the fucking monitor.
did nothing to you. Now, let's say when James was on the way here, he said that
Yeah.
if you rub a gold ring higher than 18 carats on your eye,
I love how, why does it have to be higher than 18
that's
carats?
what it
Because
said.
it's a gay
know,
lie.
I know,
That's
yeah,
why.
I don't know.
Duh.
Yes. And for some reason, it's going to make this dye go away tomorrow, so we might try it.
Hopefully. We have a lot of videos to film tomorrow, so I'm praying that this is not...
He's got compresses going. He's going to have saline solutions. He's going to be buying gold rings. You know, be careful.
Yeah.
If you see him just running through Rodeo Drive, taking all the rings on the street.
Everything. Cartier is shaking.
Wait, do you think white gold counts?
I am not doing this, James.
That was a serious question.
You are so dying to put a ring in your eye. I don't understand.
I know.
I'm dying for this to fucking go away.
I
'cause I want to be able
know.
to see.
I know.
I'm already
scared.
fucking legally blind. This is the least, like...
Legally blind.
That's a good movie. If you wake up tomorrow and it's worse, we can't film.
I feel like we can make an eye patch. We have to make something work.
Then we'll do two, but we can't do four with an eye patch. That's gnarly.
Yeah.
What if you do
We'll
one with
think.
2 eye patches? Just think about it. I'm just saying it's edgy. It's out there.
That's blindfold makeup challenge.
Thank you.
He's
No,
done that.
it's
Or
not.
someone has. A lot of people.
Everyone's done it.
Exactly. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching this debauchery of another mukbang. James, every time I eat, you're gonna have to come over.
I'm down, sister. That'll be the official mukbang special guest.
Yes,
Thank you.
exactly.
Exactly.
Oh
you
my-
know what it's about? It's about class. It's about people
Full
having class,
motherfucking class.
in America.
Exactly.
Thank you.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. James and Kathy's info will all be linked down below. I just said blinked. Will all be blinked down below. Linked, blinked, and synced, honey. Everything will be linked, and yeah, we're really full, and I can't believe I ate all this McDonald's.
I'm filled with
great.
self-loathing, but very good makeup.
Bam.
You guys are so brave.
Thank you.
Can I have a chicken? Oh,
Ooh.
I already ate them.
awkward.
Bitch, I got 6 nuggets and fries. You really didn't think I was gonna eat all of it?
She ate them all. I'll stick to this.
She's
all right, you
hungry.
guys. Thank you so
Short
much for
wig.
watching. Short wig. We will see you on the next wig. Bye,
The
guys.
next wig.